Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade V70 Vita, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find digital well-being and parental controls. So right here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 56 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings than Chrome. Here we've got also unlocks and notifications count. So if you want to check some further details, simply tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them. Under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them, and you can also tap on the specific app, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Moreover, there are many ways to disconnect, so if you think that you are spending too much time on the screen, you can use something from those listed here. I will not discuss all of them, only maybe app timers. Just tap on the option. So if you want to limit the time you're spending on the specific app, find it in the list and tap on this hourglass icon. Now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 30 minutes, it means that I can use the app for 30 minutes during a day, and after that time the app will be blocked. The timer will reset at midnight, and tomorrow again I've got 30 minutes. We can also set it for 0 minutes, tap on OK. It will be immediately blocked. As you can see here, we've got the timer, the camera icon. It is grayed out and I'm trying to open it. There is an information that the timer ran out. So if you're looking for a non-invasive option to kind of block the apps and limit the time you're spending on them, I highly recommend to use the app timers. Of course, it is not a perfect way, but still it is non-invasive, and it might be a good starting point. If you wish to turn it off, just go to the settings here and tap on this trash bin icon next to app timer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.